we're taking what we learned earlier and making lunch.
Snack.
Okay, just dump it all in there, Maris.
No.
You need a lot. That's what makes a good quesadilla. A lot of cheese. All the way. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. You need like a 1/4 inch.
It's getting hotter.
It is getting hotter. Let's see how hot it is.
How hot's the cheese?
It's about 100 degrees, 120, 130. So get over here where there's no cheese over here. We gotta thoroughly cover the whole thing.
No. That's wasting cheese.
Just put it all in there.
No.
Dump the whole bag.
No. What did you say?
Well, you see how it's melting right in there, Maris?
Yep.
It's 180 degrees. Now, just flip it to one side. Oh, careful, careful, you could get underneath it. Okay, you're doing it. There you go. Oh, you could just flip it right over there. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Okay, you don't want to use your hands, but there we go. We centered it for you. Because that's really hot. You would burn yourself. It's 240 degrees. I don't know if that's how we do it. Okay, your quesadilla is almost ready. You might need to flip it just one more time. There we go. You see that little brown on there? See that?
Yep.
It looks good.
I'm leaving the brown.
Okay, we can shut it off now because we're only making one.
Great.
We're gonna. How's your quesadilla? Was it easy to make?